Hey, how are you doing today? Hope everything is good. This is Abhijit, and today we are gonna discuss about context window in LLM. If you ever wonder how AI remember what you said 10 minutes ago, or sometimes why it suddenly seems to forget, this is the answer. Think of the context window as the LLM's working memory. When you interact with an LLM, it doesn't just read the latest prompt, it reads the entire history, that conversation up to the point it can understand the context. But here is a catch, every window has a limit. Just to explain, imagine a conveyor belt in a factory designed to hold exact 100 bottles, and it's full and everything is moving very smoothly, all good. Okay, now what happen if you try to add one more bottle, total 101, right? To make the room for that new bottle, very first bottle which you added on the belt, right, that must fall off, it's gone. This is exactly how LLM handle token. While you're having conversation with your agent and the context window capacity exceeded, AI start forgetting the oldest part of your chat to make the space for the new ones. Right. So, since we have been like discuss about the limits, you would have been understand that in order to maintain the long conversations or analyze the massive documents or big PDFs, right, and in order to get the good accuracy or relevance for that conversation, we should have adequate or wider context window set for that agent. So let's have a simulation with the local model running, and I have set the context window deliberately narrow. I'm gonna tell my name and let's see if my model recall a name, yes or no. So this is my model. I'm running locally. Okay, I named as a Dhruva with my daughter's name. So I've told her that my name is Abhijit, and then later I'm asking about Himalaya just to add some more text to the context window, right? So my context window is narrow now. Let's ask my name again whether she recall or not. Yeah, she forget, right? Because my I kept my context window is narrow, right? So let's do one thing now. I'm gonna increase the context window now and do the same thing again, right? Now I've increased my context window and I've told her that my name is Abhijit, and then same question back again, tell me something about Himalaya. I got the answer. All right, I added some text to the context window, and now again when I ask my name, model recall my name because it was there in the context window, right? So that's it from the demo side. In the next video we are going to do more deeper dive how I have tweaked the context window and how I'm running the models locally, right? And other fundamentals about what is embedding, what is VectorDB, what is LLM, and native cloud native services related to LLM like Bedrock, Kendra, Azure OpenAI, or Gemini. That I'm gonna do the hands dirty on this channel. Do not forget to like, hit subscribe. Thank you and enjoy this video just to add more fun and remember what context window is. Yeah, Lucy is a very good example to relate to context window. Cheers, bye, and take care.
And Missy.
Oh, Henry Roth. Nice to meet you. Whoa, amber is the color of your energy. The only problem is, whoa, shades of morning naturally. What is going on?
About a year ago, Lucy was in a terrible car accident. She lost her short-term memory.
She won't remember him tomorrow.
You and I are actually seeing each other.